How to use picture-in-picture with Netflix on Android. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so. So let's just dive right in and get started. So first of all, we need to have the latest version of Netflix application and ensure that the picture-in-picture is enabled in our phone settings. For that, we can go to our settings of our device and scroll down, find apps and go ahead and tap on it. Once we open up apps, we can look out for the option called Special App Access by tapping on the three dot in the top and selecting option for special access. Once we select that option, we can look out for the option called picture in picture and tap on it. And within there, we can turn on that option for picture in picture for Netflix. So scroll down, find the option for Netflix and ensure this option is turned on. Turn on, allow picture in picture. You can just go and enable it. After that is done, you can head over to Netflix and open it up and start playing a movie or show and press the home button or swipe up to go to your home. And if the picture in picture is enabled, the video will shrink into small floating window on your screen. You can just go over and access it. If not, from there you can also use this alternate method. Go to Netflix, hold it up, go to their info, and after you go over there, you can scroll down, look out for the option called picture in picture and tap on it and ensure this option is allowed. Also, if this option is not working, check that your device supports this feature and also restart your phone. If nothing else works, you can hold the power button. For that, look out for restart and restart it, and then you can access the picture in picture on your device. And that's it everybody, you may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.